Oh, it's crazy. It's over there, Bex.
Oh.
Shooting guy. I gotta get him with this ball.
Oh, I found it. You trying to hit me?
Not at all. That's how you do it. What did you say?
I said it's all the way over here.
It's all squeals. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Have you played Angry Birds?
Yes.
We played Angry Birds even in Topgolf. Remember when you hit the thing?
Yeah, got him.
Our goal today is going to reenact this. Fortunately, whoa, this table is moving. Fortunately, I found an inspiration online of somebody doing something similar, and we're going to see if we can recreate it.
Yeah.
Bex, I know you love any time a project includes PVC. Now, why do you like working with PVC so much?
Because it's easier to work with than kind of wood.
It is. It's kind of like Legos. You're just kind of assembling
Yeah.
things together, right?
Hello. Hello.
Well, I think you're going to love this project.
You can just connect parts.
That's exactly the case.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make it probably about yay tall.
Yeah.
You can kind of look through it this way. Probably have it stop here. So if I was to guess, about 2 feet and then 2 feet off the ground. So what I'll start doing is start chopping this up in 2-foot sections on my miter saw. And then I got all the fittings that we could possibly ever imagine. Put this thing together like Legos.
Legos.
And yeah, I got paint too. Best day ever. Here's a marker. Right there. Yep. Nice, good line. Yep. Nice job. And let's be super smart about it. Let's do 2 feet, and then now we're gonna hit it at 4 feet, because that's crazy good math your dad knows. And then we're gonna read it at 6 feet, which I don't know why I just did that, but okay, we got it all in there.
Well, so now you know where to cut it.
Yeah, but I don't know if we need the third one to be 2 feet as well. Oh.
Extra.
Yeah, extra. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. See, you got your head on a swivel here. All right, can you hold this in the back right here so it doesn't tip? Good.
Yep.
Okay, grab those 2 pieces. You can set that one down. All right, so I'll let you start kind of assembling a slingshot first. So I'm imagining 2 pieces are gonna be our uprights, so we'll need a 90-degree corner. We're just doing a dry fit right now. We're gonna glue this all in place. Then that there. Now we need a piece to go across here, so we need a very short piece. That's a little too long.
So we should cut this.
So this one will be the bottom piece, going the stem down, so you could probably stick that in here. Yep. And then we're gonna need it to, yes, so we're looking at, if we want it to be 2 feet wide, you can have plenty of aim. Okay, so we'll need about 2 pieces at 12 inches. All right, let me cut those up.
I got a giant hammer.
So, okay, are you good? All right, get that in place.
Grab this. We're definitely going to glue this.
All
I mean,
right.
is it too?
A little too wide?
Yeah, a little too.
Yeah, so let's take,
Let's take these off and do one.
hold on a second. We're sitting at currently about 28 inches. So we need to take 1, 2, 3, 4 inches off each one. Cut each one at 6 inches probably. Let me trim this up.
This one's like stuck.
All right. I can just split one in half and that'll
I mean,
be good.
this looks good right here.
Try this. That's pretty perfect.
Yeah, that's
That's
good.
good. Okay, so now let's look at for height. Yeah, let's get that in there.
Maybe this thing needs to be taller, I think.
Well, we have room to figure this out, but let's get this all in nice and tight. All right, so height-wise, what do you think? So a slingshot will come from here. This is about your height. So you're pulling them back right here.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good? Okay, so what we need is find me another T out of the box, or out of the bag. Okay, so that goes at the bottom.
Oh, I think I know what
So
you're
this is the most important part. We need to create a base. And usually with bases, they have to be bigger than the top. And then we're going to have it come out and then connect. And then you can put your foot in front of it so it doesn't lean back on you. So let's see. You hold this here. All right. So I'm thinking we have something about this big of a platform. That's about 30, well, we'll call it 32 inches. So if that's 32 inches, we're going to cut 2 pieces at, call it 15 inches. All right, 215. You hold that. I'll cut 15 inches. Well, actually, I need you to hold the pipes for me. So 215 inches. We can actually reuse one of this.
Whoa, wait, that. Look at this.
What? Oh, you got all this plastic dust coming at you? That's not annoying at all.
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
15. You got a 15-incher coming up. Go connect that on that one.
Right here?
Yep. Okay, let's get this big pipe here. Cut 15 off of this one. Can you hold it at the end?
Yeah, hold up.
Pull it towards you. Keep it going. There we go, right there. Okay, go try this one on. Good?
Yep.
All right, let's hold it right here. Now, this is the length that we need to figure out. Essentially, you're gonna have your foot here. I'm assuming the elasticity is gonna go up to here. So take a step back. Imagine you're holding my hand right here. No, with both hands. This is the rocket launcher right there. So essentially, we need the thing to go up to here. Don't move, keep your foot there. Let's measure that here. Pull my tape out a little bit. I got one hand. Drop it. We need it to come out about 21 inches. Okay, so we need 2 pieces of 21. Hold that pipe for me. Grab 2 elbows. There's one right here. So these are called elbows or 90 degrees. That's what the plumbing word for it. You know what we should do? We should build like a PVC suit, like 4-inch pipes so you can stick out.
Friday?
Yeah.
Or we could just build like a suit that you could put in the room.
Yeah, more stuff to go in the room.
Stay still. Okay.
All right, here's these. That. 2 more elbows to connect them. And then right there. And then let's find the distance here. Connect them. We're looking at 34.5. Let me cut that. Well, you might need some help from me here to do it together.
I'm gonna put mine in first.
All right.
Yep.
So this is obviously not glued. This is just a temporary mock-up. What do you think about that?
Yep.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Okay. There's a small part of me that almost thinks we need to go a little bit still wider than this, because this is opening a 16.
Yeah, also because I think it needs just to be a tiny bit.
Well, you're in luck. We got a couple of scraps of PVC left. So if I cut those at 6, we can cut them, let's see, at 9. No, let's cut them at 8, because how much do we need? We're at 16, I think. 16, and we're trying to go to 24 total. Oh, we got quite a bit to go. All right, so we need 2 10 inches. So we're gonna trade up. Pop this off, get those little ones out, and I'll get our 2 8 inches. Okay, you got them off?
Yeah.
All right, let's try these ones. Oh, that's a lot better.
Yeah, that's way better.
Okay, and then the last piece is the 2 caps on top. This one. We got it?
Yeah, we definitely
Okay.
need this thing glued.
So I think we're ready to glue it up. It looks nice. Cool. All right, Beckham. We're gonna start gluing this up. So PVC, you always use a primer
I've seen
first.
this.
Yep, you've seen me do it with Jack. You put the primer on so that cement can actually grab onto it really well.
Okay.
So what we'll start doing is we'll start priming it on all the way around like that. And you wanna just let it dry before you start putting it on. It dries in a couple of minutes. Why don't you start applying it around every section that's gonna connect. Hold on a second, Let me get some cardboard. Yep, just around it.
How many times?
That's good. Good. Perfect. Getting the hang of it. And then all the connectors. The more good contact we have, the stronger this thing will be.
Oh. I've seen plenty of YouTubers use this
Really? What are they building?
stuff. This is gonna take a while.
Yep. Well, we'll save you guys the boredom and be done. Wow, look how fast that all happened. Mystery. Now that we got everything primed up, let's start using the cement to put it on. Same idea, put it on both connections. Problem is we have to work really fast. So wipe it on real quick and then we can make our connection, okay? So this is the bottoms. Grab this, put it around here real quickly, and then right around this elbow.
Does this thing dry really fast?
Yep. A little too-
Faster than this?
Probably, yeah. Once it makes a connection, it's like a chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction.
Good. Now this one.
Do.
Put it on. You do half a twist and you hold it for like 5 seconds so the glue can react to it. Because if you don't, it will start sliding off, and that's good. Now we got this one. And then this one. Outside.
we didn't-
Outside.
Oh yeah, out.
And this is the important part. We have to make sure it's all on the same plane, because if this
Yeah.
twisted up a little bit, we kind of screwed up that at that point.
We're gonna have to grab a hammer and go.
Yeah, right. Good.
How long have you been working with PVC?
A couple of years. I mean, every time I do plumbing, I do PVC. A long time. Made a lot of mistakes.
Should have called me.
Well, now I can call you. All right, here's another very important part. This needs to be pointed perfectly straight up. Like that. Okay, all right.
Oh, that's a lot. That one's gonna be tight. Like,
Good connection.
look, it's literally oozing out.
Squeezing out. Well, more glue is better than less glue.
Way better.
All right, so this last one, we're gonna put it all together at once. So let's do these 2. All right, and then these 2.
We're gonna have to do that, and then piece it on.
Exactly.
No.
We are racing
Okay,
against the
go.
clock.
Go.
So you push that one in, I'll push this one in. Got it?
Keep going.
We got it. Yeah! Just in time.
We did it, baby! Woo! Woo!
I think we got a good base.
Yay!
Let's do our uprights.
That was.
Stressful?
Yes. Very. Should we do the caps first?
I think we should put it on at once, because I want to make sure our alignment is straight.
So we just build all this, and then we put
And then we
this
slide it on, exactly.
the last part.
Yep.
Well, it's not gonna be like what we did before. It's
Yeah.
just gonna be like the last.
All right, so these 2.
Is it okay if you get some of this on your hand?
Yeah, you can wash it off.
I just got some on my hand.
It's with you forever now. Is this like art class? You're kind of basically painting.
And there's no secret to this. Anybody can paint.
Basically, I mean,
So now we could attach it.
that's a lot.
So this is where we gotta really make sure this thing's straight.
Oh,
What happened?
my knee went straight into some.
All right, good news. We got it nice and straight.
Yeah.
Can't screw up now. All right, so let's
Well,
do
I
the uprights.
screwed up my knee.
You did. All right, let's do. You can put on the caps and then we'll slide it on.
Oh.
Keep holding it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. 4, 5, 6. Get our first upright on. All the way down. Nice. Last one. Good?
Yep.
All right, dude, this is nice.
Yeah.
What's cool is the fact that this is flexible, you're gonna get like extra launch to it. Here's what I recommend we do next. Let's paint this thing while I start cutting wood.
Okay.
You love that stuff.
You guys open it.
This is the behind the scenes that no parent sees. So Angry Birds, one of the most important parts is the target that they're shooting at.
Yeah.
And most times they're structures like we mentioned. So I kind of came up with this little pretend house kind of thing.
Okay.
I tried to create little compartments so you could actually have difficulty aiming at something. So you can actually hit this and the Angry Bird would bounce off. Are you shooting the Angry Bird? The bird itself is angry?
No, so we shoot the bird at the tower.
With cannons?
Oh, we think?
Oh, no, but what are they launching from the slingshot? The
Birds.
bird. Oh, they shoot the bird at, okay, I got you. Yeah, I'm not very well
When we were
versed.
playing, what do you think we were shooting?
That's it. Well, I didn't know if there was like a cannon that we're shooting or something from the slingshot.
Oh.
That's an honest question. Let's go back to building. So we're gonna start drilling it all in. I got some nice screws that'll help you not strip them so much. So I'll hold it and you go to town with it. Okay.
What about pilot holes?
All right, I'll get you a power.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
Oh no.
You just wiggle it up and down and it'll pop out. Nice. Okay.
Let's flip it up.
Yeah, flip it. So strong. Hercules, Hercules. Sweet. I think that's a perfect target.
Yeah, it's
So we can set up Dixie cups, so we can put toys on it, and you can knock it all down. We still have a little bit of paint over, so should we spray paint this thing as well?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Bike tire pump. Tire thing. Got something we can launch.
Yeah, we're gonna use this bike tire tube. When I was a kid, when we used to make slingshots, take bike tire tube.
Is this a perfectly good bike tire tube?
As new as it gets. Your bike, actually. Took it out of your bike.
Action.
No.
Air compressor.
So for our bucket, I figured we'd use an old volleyball that we had.
It
So you
was
can, you never played with it, and it's been deflated for 3 years.
True.
And it doesn't hold air because it has a hole in it. So we're gonna recycle it, put it to good use.
What if we just spray paint?
So the idea here is we're gonna attach the straps to the side here, put the Angry Bird in here, and then launch it out. Stretch it wide. Yep.
The bike tire tube doesn't work good, or we're just gonna use something else?
Well, an experiment. Some experiments
Experiment.
work, some don't. All right.
Experiment.
Experiment.
Experiment. But you gotta get something thin, and then you put it on that through the hole.
Yeah, I'm gonna try rolling it up. Yeah, this works. Okay, I think this might actually work.
Yay!
I
Done
think you're
this.
just making a hole in the rubber. It is fine, but I don't think it's going through.
I've done it.
Well, yeah, but the rubber is soft.
Remember one time when we made a sling shot, tiny one. Pew.
What did we make it out of? I don't understand the problem.
Remember?
No. Oh, underwear strap? Yeah.
Yeah.
We did. We made a slingshot out of camping when we used some of your old underwear. I think it was a Spider-Man underwear.
Do you see this? Literally. Now you have an excuse to make me take a shower tonight.
All right, I think we got it. Looks like a squid. Go see if we could attach this thing.
And I'll be scraping this off my knee.
A hole on top and a
Why don't
hole
we
on the
just
bottom.
wrap it?
What?
Why don't we just wrap it?
Well, because if we wrap it, it's going to slide up and down this pole. But if we put a hole through and tie a knot, then it's going to be stationary.
Or if we just tie it and then we just put like screws right here. And...
It's going to break with one pull.
Oh wait, yeah! I still have logic.
I'm going to do the honors with this because this thing is going to be all weird, squirrely.
Does not trust me.
Safety first. All right, we need something. Come pull this on the other side. So I'm going to feed this through.
Oh, it's gonna be like a.
Okay, grab that.
Okay,
Got it?
I got it. It's
There you go.
working.
Getting out. There we go. Awesome. That idea actually worked out well.
Is that what you're gonna use the string for?
That's what I was going to string for.
Well, this probably works better.
All right, double knot. Can't go wrong. I'm going to fish hook this thing.
I got it.
There we go.
Oh, we're not gonna tighten it?
No, we're going to put them all through and then see how far we want him to go.
Well, those ones are. I'm just looking.
So,
I think we might need to go a little bit tighter. We also need these all to be evenly tight.
that's facts.
Or a little bit more.
Yeah. Okay. That's good.
Yeah, that's good right there.
I'm going to triple knot this so we shouldn't
up.
have any problems.
This is our test subject. What if we use this thing at night with like lights? Like we shot lights out of this. Gonna cut off. Yeah, we don't need it to be a bowl, or else. I mean, just kind of a bowl.
Think we're ready for our test trial. So with this, you're gonna have to put. So I noticed this thing slides back. So put your 1 foot on the front there. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we try and shoot it?
Try it.
Okay.
That didn't go very far. Let me
Yeah.
try it.
I don't know. I think these things might not be. If they don't work, what do we do? No. I think these things aren't too stretchy.
They're not too stretchy.
What do we do?
Well, let's see, what can we do?
Bungee cord?
All right, so we changed some things on the design here. Number one, the tire tubes, they were terrible at
Yeah,
having
terrible.
elasticity. So we changed that out to workout band. These are, I think, 30 pounders. Next, we just kind of fold this in half to have it a little bit more. What are you doing?
Sticking these off.
We're telling people what we just
I
did.
know, I hear.
You hear, but we're telling them. And then the last thing we noticed is it's causing a lot of strain on the lower joint there. So if you're gonna redo this, I think getting some kind of brace going across this way would definitely help. But we're gonna try this launch with holding the side post so it doesn't get in the way and starts breaking this.
Oh!
Oh! Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah! Oh, I found it.
Terrible.
What are you shooting at me? You trying to hit me?
Not at all.
Are you trying to hit me?
Jeez.
Wait, we should go on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Can we do that again? Oh,
Almost. You got the right direction. Oh.
way too high.
Oh, nice.
Yeah!
All right, guys, we had so much fun building this giant Angry Bird launcher.
Yeah.
Is that what it is? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you learn a lot? Mm-hmm. That's all that matters. Hope you guys tried this at home with your family. I think we had a great time.
Yeah.
Bex, what should they do?
Like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Bye.